Hello, this is Gleco Design Project. We are 4 components, Raúl, Frances, Albert, and I, Eva. We will talk about the following points. The product. Gleco is dedicated to optical product. Specifically, we offer an exclusive eyewear frames because of its ecological life cycle. We strive to reduce the environmental impact and we want the consumers to join our cause. Of course, all this without forgetting the fashion design and good quality. The target. Our target is young. The age are between less 18 and 35 years old. And the percentage is more than 19. The points of sale. We are a company that is starting. That's why our market is only Catalonia, but we want to expand the market over time. And the optical shop where we will sell them in the Óptica Universitaria. In Catalonia, there are 46 shops, most in Barcelona, 14, 3 in Girona, 2 in Tarragona, and 1 in Lleida.
Environmental impact assessment. Now let's talk about the worst of the cases, a common eyewear frame. This is the material list for a functional unit for 100 glazes. The common glazes have a total weight of 19.5 grams. Basically, the main structure is made of cellulose acetate. This is the life cycle of the common glazes. First of all, the raw materials are sent to the factory. After, we have the manufacturing process to obtain the glasses. Then, the glasses are transported to the optical shops, and there the user will buy the glasses. At the end of the useful life, the glasses will go to landfill or waste treatment plant, and the cycle starts again. Here, we can see the Gavis diagram result of a common glazes frames. And here are the graphic results about the manufacturing process of that common eyewear frames.
This is our proposal to improve the environmental performance. We will use the same functional unit, 100 Gleco glasses, and now the weight is 19 grams. Basically, the principal material that we are using is polymerical plastic, and there is another changes that we will explain later. The new life cycle is this one. We start with manufacturing process, and the material that we will use is recycled materials. Then, well, it will be the process, and the glasses will be sent to the optical shop, where the clients can buy the glasses. From this point, there are two options: bring the glasses to the optical shop, and in the shop they will send it to the manufacturing process, or go to the waste plant, treatment plant, where the materials will be recycled, and then the material will be used again in the manufacturing process. So it will be finished the same way. There is another difference in the transport. Now we are using hybrid vehicles, so we will reduce the impact to the planet. And here is the Gavi diagram for our Gleco eyewear frames.
Okay, now we can see a comparison between the two situations. In the one hand, there is the common glasses, and in the other hand, the Gleco glasses. Okay, in the common ones, we use resin to stick the main structure with the rods, and in the Gleco glasses, we won't use any resin. They will be fixed by pressure. Another difference is that in the common eyewear frames, they will bring a neoprene case and a microfiber little piece. And in the Gleco case, we only will use a paperboard case with the glasses in. Okay, as a comparison, we have done some graphics that show the differences between the worst and the best of the cases in resources, deposited goods, emissions to air, emissions to fresh water, emissions to seawater, emissions to agricultural soil, and to industrial soil. And in most of the cases, we can see a huge differences, so the improvements are clearly observable. Then, for the environmental product declaration, some LCA data was required, so we did some promotional panels, such as this one, in which we can see the life cycle of our glasses. That is basically is a chain that is fitted by his previously used resources, and in this way, environmental values are present in everything we do, so as to contribute, improve, and preserve the planet's health. Our slogan will be a new way to see the world. As a presentation, the product will be sold in the optical shops like this. And as a conclusions, there is a remarkable improvement in the industrial scenario associated with the optical sector. An environmental criterion is adopted in all phases of the process: manufacture, transport, distribution, use, and end of life. And later, as a company, we would probably evaluate new alternatives, materials, and manufacturing processes focused on future projects of the company in order to continue innovating in the sector while striving to offer quality products respectful with the environment.